Have you been trying to match your Jeep wheels with your axle-less trailer suspension only to find out that the bolt patterns don't line up? This is the hub accessory for you. Since the birth of the axle-less suspension, Jeep owners have been trying to match the wheels on their Jeep with the wheels on their trailer. Our HD axle-less suspension is specifically engineered for trailer hubs that are larger and offer greater durability and have a different bolt pattern compared to that of a Jeep hub. Therefore, there has been no way of installing Jeep wheels to them until now. These new hub adapters work perfectly with the 3500 HD axle-less suspension, and they maintain the standard 5-on-5 bolt pattern that Jeeps have. So what does this do for you? It means that you can use the spare tire on your Jeep interchangeably with your trailer, and it doesn't void your warranty like the other aftermarket hub adapters out there. Overall, the install process is pretty simple. First, you're going to want to inventory all of your parts. You have 10 lug bolts, 12 Allen head bolts, and 12 lug nuts. Now we're going to need the following tools: a torque wrench with a 1/2-inch drive, a 13/16 socket, a 17mm socket, and a 3/8 hex bit socket. You'll also need a 3/8 ratchet drive. Step 1 is to place the hub side adapter onto the 6-lug hub of your axle-less suspension. Install the supplied lug nuts and torque in a crisscross pattern to 100 to 110 foot-pounds. Pre-install the supplied lug bolts into the rim side adapter and torque to 70 to 90 foot-pounds. Place the rim side adapter onto the hub side adapter. To align the matching holes, line up the two convenient white arrows. Using that 3/8 hex bit socket, install the 6 supplied hex bit bolts onto the assembly and torque to 90 to 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. Now you can install your Jeep wheel. Ensure that the wheel has a 35 to 44.45mm offset. Now you can torque your 5 M14 wheel lug nuts to spec. So if you own a Jeep and you want to match your wheels to your off-road trailer, head on over to Timbren.com and get your hands on a set of these hub adapters. As always, they're backed by our Timbren warranty and our 100-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.